Hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy AI tutorial. And in this quick and short AI tutorial, we're going to discuss on how you can change the general language of your Quen AI. So in case if you wish to change the language of your Quen AI, you will simply need to follow these simple steps. First, head on to the chat.quen.ai as this is the official uh, website or the address for the Quen Studios. And once you're here, simply click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner, and then from here click the settings option. Now within the settings, head on to general, and within the general you have the settings like the theme. From here you can change the theme of your Quen AI, and also you get this option of language. Simply click onto this drop down arrow, and from here simply select any particular language that you want. So for example, let's say if I select Hindi, you can see that the language has been successfully changed as well. If you wish to change it back to English, you can simply click onto the English and it will be done. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.